Covering Flint, Saginaw, Bay City, and Midland. This is ABC 12 News at 6. Starting with breaking news.
And more on that breaking news right off the top here at 6 o'clock. We are getting word that the Edenville Dam on the Tittabawassee River has failed. That is according to County Dispatch and Emergency Management tonight. People in the Edenville and Sanford areas are being told to evacuate immediately. We do have a crew working to get more information, but for now, let's turn it over to meteorologist Brad Sugden. He has a closer look at exactly what this means. They say the dam is crumbling, Brad.
Yeah, Angie, which means we're going to have a lot of water heading down into Sanford Lake here shortly as that dam continues to erode away. Therefore, a brand new flash flood warning has been issued, and this covers all of Sanford Lake, all the way down to US 10 to the actual city of Sanford itself. And notice there's more warnings back off to the north. Now, taking a look, this is actually, dammed up river. We have the Sanford Dam obviously to the south, but the Edenville Dam in Edenville has failed. Again, it is crumbling, so that water is going to trickle downstream, and we're going to see a very sharp rise on Sanford Lake. And that is why those residents are being told to evacuate. We also have the flash flood warnings back off to the north. These are in effect still until later this evening, and that's for the Tittabawassee River. Basically, all the dams, if they have not failed, are letting all the water out anyway. So we have a lot of water that's going to be flowing downstream. It is all going to converge into Sanford Lake, and that's why we have such a dire situation. And JR is going to take a closer look at what's going on right now, JR.
Well, we are going to be looking for potentially that water to rush down along the Tittabawassee River. And one thing that you don't know when you cross US 10 and you take a look at that particular lake is that there is another dam on the other side of US 10.
So many people affected.
And so when that water from Edenville goes under US 10, there's another dam that might be affected. So we're going to have to watch that one very carefully. So the good news in the weather department is we are expecting dry weather here for the next couple of days. But having said that, some of the damage has been done in terms of the rainfall. So while the rain is shut down, we're continuing to see some of the rivers rise, and many of the warnings are going to remain in effect here for a couple of more days. In fact, some of the warnings will remain in effect until at least Friday morning. Right now, we're looking just fine on our sky cams, and in fact, First Alert Doppler radar still showing a couple of showers way up in the north.